Hi, this is Nikita and you're watching me on Telebytes Mujhko Pehchano. Niku. 13 November. Scorpio, and I relate to it 100%. I think I'm a true Scorpio. BA in economics. I have a mom, dad, and I have an elder sister who's married, so she has a husband, and I have a tiny little nephew who's 2 years old. My favorite color would be purple, but that keeps changing. Generally, it's purple. Favorite food would be, that also keeps changing, but I would go for paneer tikka and dal makhani. Dessert would be mom's halwa. Specifically mom's halwa. Favorite pastime is online shopping and playing Sudoku. Weather would be winters, but in Bombay. I can't even take Delhi winters, like the little winters. I think I'll be more specific with the temperature. Between 20 degrees, around that much is good for me. Inspiration would be, I think I take inspiration from anybody who works hard. Hard work is the only inspiration that you can probably derive and that can keep you going in anything and everything that you do. To make sure one day my parents are known everywhere because of me, in the best possible way. Yeah. Favorite Bollywood actor? This is a very tricky question. There are too many favorites and non-favorites, and that also keeps changing. But I would go with, I think, Shah Rukh maybe. Yeah. Actress again, very confusing. I will take Priyanka. Yeah. All-time favorite movie, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. I can just watch it like, I think 10 times in a day. Oh, very bad. I used to just keep blinking all the time like this because I was so scared of the camera. But then, yes, it was an experience in itself. From in your head, inside you're trying to be very confident, but actually you're not. You're just telling yourself, it's okay, it's not a big deal. But that comes with experience, I would say, yeah. My first salary check ever in my life was a check of 5,000 when I was back in college, and I did this 1 month internship. Very diligently I had done that 1 month internship, and when I had received that 5,000 ka check, I remember as soon as I got my vacations, without telling my mum, I used to live in a hostel that time. I had made a trip to Goa with my friends and literally lived like rags. I had lived, traveled by bus overnight, lived in like a dirty place there, and I spent the entire 5,000, which my mum is clearly not aware of. And when she asked me, I just made up excuses ki haan, idhar kharch ho gaye, udhar kharch ho gaye. But that's how I spent my first check. My dream role would be anything that's challenging. There's no dream role as such, but anything that you do in life, it should be one step ahead of whatever you've done in the past. So I think the dream is only to do better and to do something more challenging. Love to me is honesty. Life to me is living it at the fullest. My favorite one-liner is what do I keep saying? I do say a lot of things in a day. I think it's more like, chill man. Like, I just keep saying that. Yeah, chill. When I have not slept, I have not worked out, do not mess with me. I will just be so grumpy and get mad at you. My favorite brands, the problem is all my favorite brands are the ones that I keep getting gifted by my mom and sister. Of course, I don't buy. So I can proudly say that my favorite brand would be, I think, Michael Kors. Yeah. I just have to say that I love you all way more than probably you love me, which is why I try and work as hard as possible. So just keep loving me, and I will love you even more.